What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making glow in the dark slime. So this is what I'm gonna be showing how I'm gonna be making to make it. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making glow in the dark slime. I'm so excited because I haven't made that before. So, cause last time we made the regular slime with food color, but today I'm not gonna add food color because this is already have color and it's glow in the dark slime. So let me show y'all. See? Glow in the dark. So let me show y'all like how I'm gonna be making it. So I got borax, glue, and a bowl, and my water shaving cream I'm not gonna be using because it's gonna turn fluffy, I don't know. And I got my spoon. So let's get right to the video. Time to add my glue. Whoa. See guys, you can see me right here. Ooh, my body nose first time. See how it's coming out? Look at that noise. Gonna get all that glue out so you can make it. I think that's all. I think. Let's see how to get it all out. That's too much. So I think it's all out. Wait, let me see. It might be. It's gonna come out. Oh, let's see. Alright guys, let me show you how much the bowl is. See? It's like almost like full, but it's like not full because I had to add to. Want to see that bubble, guys? Yeah, I have to get it out. To see what come out. I think that's all, so that's what I'm gonna use. I think that's all. Let's see when it stop dripping. Like I breathe too fast. I don't know why. I know because I be trying to breathe to my nose, but I can't because I never did that before. Alright guys, I think this is enough. I'm gonna give it one more shake. I mean not one more shake, one more squeeze. Alright, I think that's enough. I don't care. So, oh my god, can you come on? Did you ever see like this glue just take forever? Cause I don't know why. Okay, I think that's it. Seems leftover. I don't care. And I got my water. And I'm gonna pour it into here. And be super careful because I'm not gonna pour the water. Is that enough? Or you think it's not? I don't know. I actually smell some, but that's okay. Alright, time to put the lid on. This is the lid. And a little bit of glue. But that's okay because I'm going to wash my hands after the video. It's not always built to the top, but that's okay. But time to shake it around. And this way. I think that's enough. Take the cord here. And start mixing. Wow. Maybe next time I can make slime like in the dark. Should I do that or no? Well, guys, I can't show you because I want to show you, but I can't show you it. But you can probably see it from here. Cause I can't show it because I might spill it. And I'm not have more to make slime. Alright guys, I'll give it 2 more mixes and that's it. And I'm gonna add that. So 1, 2. I think that's enough to make. So just leave it in there because I'm probably gonna jump on the table. So I'm gonna add probably a little bit of this. I don't know. I don't know if I should use this bit. Well, guys, have you ever seen a big package like this? Because it's super heavy. Let me see if I can. If I spill it, that's okay. Sorry, guys. I'll clean it up. It was an accident. So, alright, I'll pour a little bit more. I gotta be careful. A lot of big noises. Ooh. Not enough, I think. One more scoop. Too much. So I start mixing it. Ooh. Come on, bottles. I'm clumsy a little bit. I'll give it few more stirs, guys. I think. We'll have mini stirs or whatever, I don't know. Guys, I think that's enough mixing. So I'll give it 3 more stirs. That's it. 1. I gotta count down because I don't know how much I'm gonna mix. So 1, 2, 3. Done. 1, 2, 3, 4. Really sure you can press it. And then I'll start. Mix it. Okay, time to add 2 scoops in this. Take that out. I'll like clean the table whenever it gets wet. Okay. Think that's enough. olive. A little more. I see that too much. Well, guys, like almost turned to slime, cause I felt it. See, you guys, it's like moving, and it's turning to slime. Yay! And when I get like more to slime, I'm gonna turn the lights off and you'll see my doing like glow. Let me see my hand. Yeah. Time. So, guys, should I start mixing with my hands or start mixing with the spoon? I don't know. So, I'll take this. I think it's like time to start like mixing with my hands there, guys. So time to start mixing with my hands. Time to add a little more because I really want to stretch and glow. A little bit more. Oops, a little bit. Sorry guys, I had too much. I think. Let's start mixing with the spoon. Continue mixing with the spoon now. Wow guys, look, it's like almost like too slime. I can't show you, but like when it turns to really too slime, I will show you how it is, okay? See how it is on see how it is on the spoon? Whoa guys, like almost. Alright guys, I'm going to add one more scoop of water because I want to stretch. I'm going to pick up. But I had to write too much. Sorry. Oh, it's going to get in my face. Whoa guys, I actually had too much. Whatever. Alright guys, I'm gonna give it one more mix. Time to take it off the bowl. Cause I gave it one more mix. I'm just scared. Whoa. Whoa guys, look at this slime. Well, it's like stuck to my hand, I think. Look at this big blob. Wow. Right, both. I don't know, I'll get it out. See you guys? Wow. Alright, time to turn the light off. I'm so excited. Glow. Oh man, did it glow or did it? How do you guys? I gotta turn the kitchen light off, cause I think that's why it's showing. Whoa, guys! Guys, I can see it. Guys, you can't see me, but you can probably see the slime. Whoa, guys, it like glowed. Time to turn the lights back off. Whoa, guys. See? It might be glowing, but look. See what it is. Whoa. Gotta turn the wash mark off now. Oh my God, did you see that? Alright, now I'm gonna a little bit play with it to end the video. See? Well, y'all seen it. Let's see what it'll stretch. Alright guys, I'm just gonna play with the slime for a little bit. And then when I'm done, I'll end. So, see? It stretched. I didn't use the shaving cream because it made it fluffy. I mean, I don't know how to say it, guys, but I would. But this one is like more stretchy, and I would like the slime. I want to play with it like all day. But I'm gonna have school. We want to tell like what I be doing in school. So we be doing chit chats, and then we'll go to breakfast. And we know at breakfast we do calendar. And then when we know a calendar, I forgot what else we do. We probably do like go doodle, like where we dance and you have fun. And then we'll go to, we probably do stations. And you know, I work by myself, like do station by myself, but everyone else got partners, so my partner is gone. She went to a new school. Her name was Monica, but she went to a new school, so I do it by myself. Alright guys, let me see what else will I be doing. Sometimes, like when it gets sunny, we play outside sometimes. Or when the speaker come on, it will say, alright, it can be an out day. Guys, I want to make a bubble on the table by just cleaning the table so I won't make a bubble. Or I can't. Well, see? Whoa. I'll give it like a bubble. I like a bubble. Oh, about to fall because I can't get dirty. Alright guys, time to end the video. Back and forth. So give me a big thumbs up and click the subscribe button, and then I forgot. Anyway, subscribe to my channel and give a biggest thumbs up, and then turn to the kiss or something, I don't know. And bye guys.